I'm about to film right now, and in looking at ideas for today's session, because I kind of have a whole list of things that I wanted to explore and things that I might do during the challenge. I was trying to find an idea for today, but the problem is not getting the idea. Problem is being inspired. Today, I'm not inspired. You know, one of those days where your energy level is a little bit lower and you just want to eat chocolate and watch a movie and be lazy all day. That's how I feel right now. A couple days ago I made this painting, which I found pretty interesting. I wasn't super sure about a few elements in it, but today I think I want to revisit this painting and make a different kind of version, like a sister painting. I have a general idea, but I'm not sure exactly how it will turn out. And I will focus on that one painting for today. So here we go, working without inspiration. Okay, that was quite the adventure. My idea was to paint the same, let's call them eggs. They're eggs. So to paint the same eggs as I did a couple days ago, but with a white background, and change up the composition a little bit, although I didn't change it much. Things went well, and then they went really bad, and then they started being okay again. I was getting a nice texture at first with the steel brush, but then I used a new product that I got. It's called paint markers by Liquitex. So they are markers with a felt tip, but it's paint that is inside. I was very excited to use them for contour lines, but it felt more like a cartoonish kind of marker instead of real paint, and my canvas had a lot of texture to it, so it made the line very bumpy, and I really disliked it. I tried everything to salvage it, didn't work. So what I did was I tried to scrub it with a bit of water and a scrub brush, and that worked, luckily, because I thought I was gonna have to scrap that painting. In the end, it gave an even nicer texture than at the beginning. So a scrubber works as well as a steel brush. I didn't know. With water helps. I used the charcoal pencil to do the other two eggs and the contour lines. in the end, I'm not sure if the second painting is better than the first painting. It's different for sure. I feel like I should have changed the composition even more. I kind of played it safe, I guess, a little bit. I wasn't sure if having just one egg in the middle was just too bare, and I tried to add more. But by adding, I don't know that it really added anything, you know what I mean? You be the judge. Which one do you like better? Do you like the black background or today's painting the white background? Let me know. I'm curious. I'll see you tomorrow.